Meet Geri, the perfect mannequin for retirement home or hospital training. As an elderly mannequin, Geri features realistic skin folds and wrinkles that make it a great tool for training medical professionals to care for geriatric patients. Geri also boasts a full range of motion and non-pinching joints, making it a great option for physical therapy training. These lifelike movements allow students to practice a wide range of patient care procedures, from hair washing to intramuscular injections. Additional features include blood pressure arm with Korotkoff sounds, Auscultation features, a gastrostomy site on complete models, 2 ostomy sites, and more. Whether you're looking to train nursing home staff, physical therapists, or medical professionals, Geri is an excellent choice.